Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys saw the previous short I put up earlier today, I mentioned that I'm unlucky enough to have a California version CBR 600, but you know, for 1,500 bucks, I can't bitch about that. So I just ordered a kit. It's basically a block-off kit. Takes care of all the vacuum hoses and the pair valve that's on the front of the motor. I'll go around there in just a second and show you that. So got that stupid canister off that was bolted under there. That's about 3 pounds right there, the evaporative canister garbage. Anyway, working towards the top here. So this is the rat's nest of stuff you have to deal with on a California version. This little instrument of the devil is the purge control valve, and then you have the evap valves here. Now that's part of the ram air system there, so that one stays. But all that garbage there, that comes off. That's part of the California crap. Oh my God. And then up front, I'll come around here so you guys can see, there is a thing here that's a couple of pounds by itself, and it's also part of the California garbage. So the block-off kit takes care of it. It actually bolts in, I think it's number 3 cylinder. On the other side, it goes in, and there's some block-off plates that that take care of that. So that's leaving, and like I said, I've got most of the stuff unplugged. Oh, this is it's garbage. But, you know, I can't complain because it's a pretty cheap motorcycle. And the kit that I've got coming, and I'll do a video on it when it gets here, but it basically has caps. When you unplug all the stuff, you just cap these hoses, and you're good to go. I may pull them, because a couple of them go to the carbs and the airbox and things. I may pull them just to clean that area up some and then cap it where it goes on the airbox and the carbs. We'll see what the instructions say. But, you know, just a little quick update. Finally getting some of this junk out of the way here. New battery, of course, she turns over now good. I did a video on that. I think it was yesterday. And I've got the rear fender guard removed, because all of these leftover lines and the vents and things that you see here, I've already routed let's see, that is the coolant overflow. I've already got it routed down by in front of the swing arm. This one leaves completely. This is part of that purge valve system, so all that crap is gone. It cleans up everything, a little better airflow. It's just neater too, but yeah, look at this mess. Golly, California and their carb people. So a quick little update. So got a new battery. Like I said, she turns over good. Just put in fresh oil and filter today. Check out the previous short for that. And then I'm getting some, I believe it's called engine ice, that I'll be, I'm going to be purging the system with, what is it? The water that won't cause corrosion. I can't think of it right now. You guys know what I'm talking about. I've got some sitting over here. It's just literally right over there by the tank. What's it called? Anyway, going to purge the system with that, and then be good to go. Go back with the, it's called engine ice. They say it runs about 20 degrees cooler, which is great. So yeah, making a little progress here. I'll keep everybody posted. I'm going to be ditching the factory chain and sprocket, of course, big heavy thing. Going to go up 2 on the rear, give it a little better acceleration. Run slightly higher at highway speeds, but, you know, no big deal. Of course, just going to get new tires. These tires are rocks. They're just big black round rocks. they're just hard as they can be. So yeah, there's a quick little update on the old girl. Making slow but steady progress. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.